Hey everyone, Erica here from Rick's Review Hub. Tired of pushing a heavy mower in the summer heat? The YARBO Robot Lawn Mower is here to transform your lawn care game. This modular AI-powered mower is designed for lawns up to 1.1 acre, making yard work effortless. Want to grab it? Click the referral link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the features. The YARBO Robot Lawn Mower covers up to 1.1 acre with a 7.87-inch blade adjustable from 1.57 to 3.94 inches for a custom cut. Its RTK-GPS and multi-sensor navigation skips boundary wires, using cameras, sonar, and radar for precise mapping, even in complex yards. The 24-volt, 20-ampere-hour battery runs for 4 hours, covering 1.1 acre and charges in 2.5 hours. It tackles 27-degree slopes with all-wheel drive and runs quietly at 58 decibels. The YARBO app lets you set schedules, map multiple zones, and create no-go areas for flower beds or pools. Its modular design supports attachments like a snowblower or leaf blower, sold separately. It includes the mower, charging dock, RTK base, 4 spare blades, and a user manual. Rain sensors and night mode ensure smart operation. Now the pros. This mower is a total game changer. The wire-free setup takes 10 minutes, and RTK-GPS navigation handles obstacles like trees or toys with ease. It's eco-friendly, with clippings feeding your lawn, and super quiet, so neighbors stay happy. The app's zone mapping and modular attachments make it versatile for year-round use. Safety features like lift sensors and auto stop are great for families, and the all-wheel drive conquers steep slopes. For cons, it's best for lawns under 1.1 acre. Larger yards may need extra battery time. It needs clear boundaries like fences for optimal navigation, and cloudy days can slightly affect RTK accuracy. Edge trimming requires a separate tool, and the base price, around $2,000, is a big investment. Additional attachments cost extra. Should you buy the YARBO Robot Lawn Mower? If you've got a small to medium lawn and want smart, hands-free mowing, absolutely. It's perfect for busy folks, pet owners, or anyone craving eco-friendly, safe lawn care. Just ensure your yard has defined edges and you're okay with the price tag. Hit that subscribe button for more reviews and click the referral link in the description to get the YARBO Robot Lawn Mower at the best price from Rick's Review Hub. Special promotional pricing awaits. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.